Margin trading sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. It means using borrowed money from your broker to control a bigger trade. That can increase your profit, but it can also increase your loss. In this video, I'll explain how margin works in simple words. What is margin trading? Let's say you have $1,000 in your trading account. Without margin, you can buy up to 1,000 worth of stock. With margin, your broker may allow you to open a bigger position, for example, $2,000. Your $1,000 is your own money and the rest is borrowed from the broker. That extra buying power is called margin. What is a margin call? Because the broker is lending you money, your account must stay above a minimum value. If your trade loses too much, the broker may ask you to add more cash. This is called a margin call. If you do nothing, the broker may close part of all of your position. In USA, you usually use margin through a margin account. In India, you may hear the term MTF or margin trading facility. The basic idea is similar, but broker rules, interest cost, and margin requirements can be different. Always check the rules before using margin. And remember, the best traders do not try to trade the biggest. They focus on protecting their account and stay in the game. Trade smarter, not bigger, and subscribe for more simple trading lessons. Thank you for watching.